CRCL stock analysis price predictions for Wednesday. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this quick and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Overviewing CRCL, I'll still be sticking to my strategy that I've been refining over 5 years. 45,000 videos, then no one else in the space has come even close to freaking doing. Circle internet, it's interesting because you might see this line pointing towards the upside here and you might assume that, okay, I should buy, click. No, I'm not buying unless I see the confirmation. That's why I have this waiting text. This would only really be bullish if I see the shift. And if not, I just ignore, right? I'll keep you updated. That's why I have all these stickers, but I just keep it simple. I just ignore if rules are not met. Simple. So let me know what is your opinion on CRCL. And if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, and just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. And you can see I have a bunch of receipts here as well. You know, see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.